That brings me to step 4. Construction documents. Document. So that step clearly outlines in our intro document what it is you're going to get. It has basically everything you need to obtain your building permit. Your contractor or yourself, depending on the type of project, can go to the building department with those documents and in theory obtain a permit relatively easily. Questions we get are going to be actually put on another slide, on another video, where I'm going to answer many of the frequently asked questions by stage. Each phase has its own set of questions and its own set of parameters, and I want to make sure I deliver. But this basically outlines a general idea of what we provide from step 0 to step 4. But let me zoom in more on step 4. Step 4 will have floor plans, elevations, sections as needed, roof plans, perspectives, details. Depending on the type of project and the scope, this may vary, of course. We'll have framing plans and structural plans. It all depends on the type of services you've requested. It will also, to our knowledge, satisfy the necessities, the needs, and the regulations. We're designing to the intent of what the code requirements are. Our design intent is trying to ensure you have a compliant building. It's just a design, but at the very end, the compliant building is a result of our work, of the product of the contractor actually. But basically, those drawings will do their best. We will do our best to deliver a compliant building in the set of drawings. This I'm going to have to do a parenthesis, but we'll touch more base later, because we are architects, not builders. We're only liable for what it is that we provide. We do not provide an actual compliant building. We design to the intent of providing that. But it's up to the contractor and much more beyond us to ensure that you get that. That will be another story. So with that regard, if it turns out that the building department requires something extra that wasn't necessarily clear, oftentimes we will provide that at no cost to you. If it turns out that something really, really bizarre that we've never encountered, we may call you and say, hey, this is not common, and we're going to have to do additional services for it. But we can discuss more on that later. Just rest assured, this barely ever happens. Oftentimes, after we deliver that set of documents, the process is very smooth, just like flow, and you will be able to get your building permit and move forward with your project. Rest assured that we're here for you and that we're here with you. And if there's any calls or any questions, we're certainly going to try to answer as soon as possible. With that, I have just given you a whole summary of our services from step 0 to step 4. It's time to zoom in. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.